I have this Onkyo receiver. It's a 5-channel Dolby surround. It's not doing too well. It's a TX-SV313PRO. Kind of grimy. Could use some cleaning. But it's not mine, I'm just repairing it. Turn it on here. Relay clicks. Getting nothing out of the left channel. Getting a little bit out of the right. Somewhat distorted. Don't want to play it too long or I'll get a good old copyright strike thing here.
Certain terms apply. See usatrainer.com for details. Line set up especially for you. This hotline will give you free information on how you can legally reduce or eliminate your tax debt. Call the consumer tax.
So it's a bit flaky. I kind of think it's a dirty relay doing that, so I'm going to take a look at it and see what I can do. Okay, I have the cover removed. There's the main board here. You can see the power amplifier, transistors, output transistors, and up top here the rear channels and the center channels are these integrated circuit type amplifiers. I think they're LM1875s. Now, back under there is the relay. Let me adjust the... I'm going to adjust the station here so I don't get copyright strike. Okay.
Stud earrings at 52 to 70% off. With the finest quality area guaranteed. You'll receive the finest quality diamonds at savings.
Yeah, I think it is the relay. I tap it with this plastic rod and the other channel came on.
Across from the Outback Steakhouse. Also good for South location. 1 mile north of I-675 on Route 48.
It's a little uneven. It's just dirty, corroded.
Getting you the maximum refund, that's what I do.
Unfortunately, it looks like the type that you can't take the cover off. I've been able to take the cover off of some and clean the contacts, but this type is sealed. I've actually already got the number off of it and looked it up online, and it's the kind that you can't take the cover off. So I'm going to order a relay and pop it in there, see what happens. Well, this receiver has a convenient little hatch on the back, so I'm able to unsolder the old relay. And I put in an order and got another relay. Funny thing is, this was just discontinued last month. Now this receiver is probably 20 years old now, and I found the datasheet for this thing and went to order it on Mouser. Mouser says it was just discontinued, out of stock. So I had to find another one that would fit. And this is 28 volts. Couldn't find any 28 volts. I went with a 24 volt with a bit higher resistance, so it should match just fine. And of course I had to get the right normally open type and had to get the right pin size, pin spacing and everything, so that'll match up. It is a little bit shorter, but that doesn't matter. So now I'm going to put it back in, and I'll button this thing back up and do a test run, see how it goes. Well, before I button it up, I'm going to make sure it actually works. There's the new relay installed. Had a heck of a time getting my hand in there and just get my fingertips in there to get that thing seated. I was just about going to remove this board so I can get at it. But anyway, I have got it all soldered back together and plugged it in, and see what happens here. Perfect. Better change the station. Uh-oh, I think I hit. There we go.
Us every month with a donation in the amount of their choosing. Perhaps today's the day you'll raise your hand and say you're prepared to get involved at a deeper level. Our monthly companions have a strategic role in providing financial stability and predictability. And it doesn't take long. The process is...
Well, pretty easy fix. Nice receiver, nice big transformer. Though I'm not crazy about these ones with the microprocessor control, because if those break, then you gotta hunt for a donor receiver or, you know, just junk the thing. But I really like the vintage ones that are pretty easy to get most of the parts for. But anyway, I'll button this thing up and consider it fixed. Thanks for watching.